Kendra, and today I'm going to be reacting to J-Hope's Aeroplane music video, and it dropped last night, and then I had work this morning so I couldn't watch it. But now, I'm finally watching it. So we're going to get straight into this video. Look how pretty that shot is. I'm guessing that's Seoul. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh, that's trippy. Oh, there's Shooting Star. Make a wish. I see you. Oh, yeah. It looks so good. I like the sky. Oh, there's something on the computer. Well, you can see how cold it is. He's like breathing. He's actually saying it as well. You can see that. Because he's like breathing. Breathing. You can see the smoke come out. I'm loving the sky. Stones. The Rolling Stones. I love this song. Can I just point out what he's wearing? Everything is on fleek. On fleek. It's on point. Oh my god, his jaw. That's cool. I love how they're doing that with him, like the double of him. Like with that sketch, it looks really good. BTS production team though, jeez. Or Big Hit I should say. Oh, back in that room. I have to say, this was probably my favourite music video out of all the BTS songs, I reckon. Because it's like just simple and it's just cool. Besides Save Me, but this is, yeah. I might have to say this is taking my top spot for the best music video of BTS. Just so cinematic. Apparently I can hear members' voices in the song, but I can't hear any. I've been trying to listen, but I can't. Aeroplane. 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 But yeah, that right now, I'm putting that down in my book as the best BTS music video I've ever seen. It's just, I love the whole like cinematic and like the shots with the skies. It just fits so well with the song, obviously because it's aeroplanes. But it's just like simple. It's not over the top. Like none of BTS's videos are over the top. They're just a lot of stuff is going on. But this one is kind of like calm and cool. So that's why I kind of like it. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to me if you haven't already. And if you want me to react to any other videos, just comment down below. And also, write down what your favourite BTS music video is, because mine is Aeroplanes. It takes it out of all of the BTS songs. But yeah, anyway, I'll see you guys next video. Bye!